Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Trading 212 demo account easy guide. So to use your demo account, you can click on CFD here, and then you'll see this option. If you have not funded your real account, you can practice with virtual money here. So go ahead and click that. Then this will bring you into your demo account. So if you click here, we can see the account value and we can go here. If you want to reset the account, you can go ahead and do that. Change the currency and the price here of how much money you want to have in your demo account. And press reset account. So on the home window, we will have the watch list where we can view different commodities, stocks, indices, ETFs, Forex markets, most traded markets. If you want to favorite one of these, we can go to, for example, SpaceX, go up to here, and then we can add to watch list here. And here we can customize and create a custom watch list with all your favorite stocks that you want to trade. So once you have a market up, this is your main window in which you will get all of the information regarding your trade and the specific market you're looking at. So here will be a feed, some information about what other people are saying about the markets, and some statistics regarding that market, aid towards making a decision about the trade. However, if you want to go up here and set price targets or price changes, you can go ahead and do that. So when a price reaches a specific point, you'll get a notification on your phone or your laptop. And then here, if you click on chart settings, we can change whether you want lines or candles here. And also we can open this window up. And then we can come in here and view all of the features. So this chart is powered by TradingView. So we get all of the features that TradingView have. We don't have as many indicators as TradingView does, but we have all of the main ones in which you will need. So for example, Bollinger Bands, and I want volume, so we can go ahead and do that. And as you will see, we will have all of the information here, volume down here, and the Bollinger Bands here. And up here, we can click on it, we can hide or remove these. Here we have our days, our custom intervals, so we can change the custom interval at our will. And then here we can customize a list of all of the favorite stocks that we want here. So we can go ahead and make a nice list so it's easy for us to access in this nice chart setup here. If you go to settings here, we can change some chart settings. For example, you can put in this information here, and then we will get information on that inputted onto our chart here. If we click on the stock here, we can see the information about it. Obviously, it's the weekend, so the chart is closed. Here we can press buy or sell. We can press buy or sell here also. Set our value here, so we can either do this in currency or a quantity of the specific stock. Then here we can put on a trade. And then if you go up to this window here, we can see all of the information regarding our account. So the value, how much profit we are in. Then here we can see the positions here. As you can see, I've got 2 trades going on. And any pending orders will be down here. And also here we can see the value here, a bit more bigger and easier to see here. And again, we can see some information about the specific stock here. So that's the main choices here. Here we have a discover window where we can view all of the different stocks here from most traded, most bought, most shorted. And then here we have a social window where we can see a lot of conversations and posts regarding markets and news regarding the markets and trading, which is very handy. And then here we have our settings. So we have economic calendars, so we can go ahead and view specific news events on specific days, which is very handy and important. History settings, all of this. So that's the main stuff that you need to know, really, guys. I hope this video helped. I'll speak to you soon.